HOCS, the Hotel Operations Control Software, is an unique digital method of keeping the entire operations of your hotel well controlled in your fingertips, even from a remote location. A hotel has two major areas, the financial section and the operational areas. For controlling the financial section, there are numerous softwares which help us to keep a strong control over the financial aspects, but there are none for the operations yet. This is where HOCS has been so immensely important, especially post-COVID, where we are discussing of using digital techniques in all arenas possible. The most important aspect that HOCS ensures is a strong implementation of a performance management system in the hotel. There must be a huge HR cost, and it is imperative that as a GM or a MD, you must be willing to attain the best performance from your team. But with such immense load of revenue generation, it is essential that the operations do not get overlooked at this very crucial moment, as this is the new normal. Before we understand HOCS in details, please ask yourself a few questions. What is your HR cost component, and are you sure about your employees' productivity? How are you sure that all the jobs are being done regularly by all the departments? Are your supervisors and managers really checking the departments for maintaining the desired standards of the hotel? Are your operations controlled and monitored digitally? How do you control the operations when you're out of station? If you're not sure about all these questions, it is high time that you implement HOCS in your hotel. It is a guarantee that you would see enormous change in the working pattern of your employees striving to perform better in the same environment. This software complements the operations manager and is a single point support to all the general manager and the top management. It is time now that hotel operations has to be controlled digitally, and paper checklists and reports are now just a passé. HOCS gives you an advantage of controlling our operations even from your Android phone, eliminating all paper cross-contamination. Hotels will have enormous checklists post-COVID, which has to be maintained stringently by all the departments to ensure the hotel has the desired standard. Checklist audits will now be more functional, and this is only possible when they are all managed digitally. As a general manager or a member of the top management of a hotel, the utmost priority is responsible hospitality. And to achieve this mission, HOCS will be a one-stop solution to your hotel operations. The savings that HOCS brings in your hotel may not be direct, but in a few days' time, you will realize the positivity of the HOCS effect. It is time now to save more to earn more. So, stay connected and ask us for a free trial now.